Full hydraulic steering, Orbitrol, is between the steering wheel and the steering control mechanism, without connecting rod connected a hydraulic power steering type, with light and flexible operation, simple structure single, low price, convenient installation and layout of the whole machine, etc. At present, the cycloid type full hydraulic steering gear used at home and abroad has been used since 1961. Since char lynn power steering, or steering unit Eaton in China, it has got in development. Similar full hydraulic steering gear mainly includes steering unit Eaton, steering unit T or W. It is produced by steering unit Danfoss Company in Denmark and ZF Company in Germany. Steering unit ognibene, steering unit rexroth. Products are widely used in various construction machinery, agricultural machinery, heavy vehicles and ships. The working pressure is above 17.5 Ma, and the displacement range is 5315 milliliters. There are two oil distribution methods: owl type and spool valve type. The models are open center non-reaction, closed center reaction, closed center non-reaction and load sensing type steering system. There are various forms of integrated hydraulic valve and steering gear, such as integrated type and separate type. Supporting vehicles, the driving speed has been expanded from 50 km/h to about 70 km/h. In order to solve the power steering of large-scale engineering vehicles, initially based on the small displacement full hydraulic intermediary, the shape and size of the sleeve slot of the control valve were improved. The length of the pendulum metering device was increased to increase the displacement, and the maximum displacement was possible. Up to 1000 milliliters. With the development of science and technology, many companies have established factories in China, and China's hydraulic steering gear technology has reached the international level. And has made outstanding contributions to the development of China's heavy industry. It can be said that the hydraulic steering gear made in China is the international heavy industry, especially for the after-sales market. Elephant Fluid Power Co. Limited is the distributor of Hangzhou Orbitrol. The mission of Elephant Fluid Power is to be called the hydraulic power service provider that the people of the world like.